everyone, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to roast Italian sausage. Now I have my favorite Italian sausage that we use whatever kind you like. They're about 2 inches in diameter and I don't know, maybe 8 inches long or so, okay? So I've got 5 of them and I'm using them tonight for a gorgeous baked rigatoni with Italian sausage, tomato sauce, and mozzarella cheese. Check out that show. Now this is from Ria. This is their Ria, R-E-A, mild Italian sausage. Check out the review I've done on that. You're going to enjoy these sausages, and they're really great all-purpose sausage and perfect for the entire family. They're not too spicy, they're not too hot spicy, they're not too garlicky. They have a really nice meat to fat ratio. Really like them. So I'm just gonna place these guys on a baking sheet with a baking mat just to keep things, you know, from getting sticky. These are only going to take about 20 minutes provided that they are completely defrosted. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I already have my casserole in there and I'm just going to put these on top. So depending on what you're doing, you could also grill these up. They're wonderful that way, but this is how to roast them tonight, or how to bake them, I guess you could say too. So there you go. I've got 5 of them into the oven. I'm going to check them in about 20 minutes. Alright, these sausages are done. They've been in the oven for about 25 minutes or so. They are browned. They are firm to the touch. If you poke your knife through, you'll be able to see that they're completely done all the way through. Now you can use them for pasta. You can use it for in a bun. You can do whatever the heck you want your little heart desires. Again, you can eat those for breakfast as well. Slice them into chunks. Whatever, you can butterfly them and fry them, whatever you want. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you roast Italian sausage. Not hard, it only took 25 minutes. Okay? Done like dinner. If you wanted to, you could put it under the broiler for a few minutes just to like make it browner on the top if you want. But hey, I'm about to brown this under the broiler with my casserole, so I don't have to worry about that. These guys are done like dinner. Literally. Alright? That's how you do it. Follow me on Twitter at cookingwithkim, with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on iFood TV at my.fossum.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. You can find my channel on Roku, Cooking with Kimberly, and I'm also syndicated on Apple TV and Amazon and a few other places. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, alright? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye!